In this video, I'm going to show you how to troubleshoot a fast blinking turn signal switch on your vehicle. Make sure you watch the video all the way to the end because I'm going to give you some pointers and show you what to watch out for when you're troubleshooting this. Before we get started, remember to subscribe to the channel, ring the bell, and subscribe to all of our notifications. That way you'll get a heads up when we upload a new video. So I was driving down the road and I went to bang a left to put my turn signal on, and I got the dreaded fast blinking turn signal arrow. And when this happens, you know, a lot of times it ends up being a burnt out bulb. And we'll go outside to see if that's the case. Let's look around the truck. The turn signal arrow on the right is fine. So that side of the truck should be fine. It's just the left. And let's go check it out, see what's going on out there. So on my Expedition, I put the parking lights on, and the parking light is also the turn signal down below here. But the turn signal filament might be acting up. It might be actually what it is out. So I'm going to take this bulb out and go get a brand new one at the auto parts store, and we'll replace it. So when you own a car, it is always something. There's always something breaking on it. And that's why we do all these great videos for you guys to help you out. I'm going to get this bulb out of here. So as you can see, this bulb is all black on the inside. Looks like the filament is gone. And I'm gonna go to the parts store and find one of these new bulbs. So one of the things I wanted to show you while I was in here is you can see how black the socket is. This is heated up, it's starting to go bad. So we're gonna end up replacing the socket at some point in the very near future, because what'll happen is more than likely this will start to short out. And when these sockets heat up like that, it happens on a lot of different vehicles. This plastic starts to crumble, and then your brake lights or your turn signal is going to fail. I know there was power to the socket because the light bulb was lighting up, so I believe it was just the filament inside that was bad. So I'm going to put a new bulb in it. Okay, so it's just as I suspected. The filament was bad. I now have a turn signal. Make sure you have somebody get in the vehicle, hit the brakes, hit the turn signal, check all the lights out, and then button up your light, your parking light or your tail light or whatever it is that had gone out on you. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, leave a comment. I will reply back to you. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, guys.